Setting. Ghetto Hood.
Hospital.
Part 2. Dog labor.
Exciting plot.
9 months later.
Hey, how may I help you?
I'm pregnant.
Okay, let me call, sorry, I got brain damage the other day. Mary, yeah. Mary, please report to the main office. We got another pregnant person, and she's a big one.
I'm not that big, okay?
Okay, so. Oh, I remember you 9 months ago with that bunny. I remember you. And I remember you player. I remember both of y'all. So, come on.
Dad, how long is it gonna take?
Okay, about 6 to 8 minutes. Just hang on, son. Just go talk to a stranger.
I'm a girl. I can't go talk to a stranger. I might get molested. Thank you very much. Now I'm gonna walk away right now because this is very dramatic and I wanted to say it that way. Thank you. See, Lou, that's the girl. That's the girl that came into my pregnancy and just ruined it. I hope she has a stroke. That's not even nice, man. Now good. Let's do this. No, come on. What are you doing? Yeah, that's what you deserve. Don't even mess with my girl. I will mess you up. What you looking at, fatty? You look like an ogre or... let's try this. Watch.
I'm sorry. I understand that she interrupted your pregnancy.
Oh, interrupted. She ruined. Ruined, I tell you, ruined.
I understand that. But
have you ever got your pregnancy ruined? See this thing? I got it because I was pregnant. I gave her that. Yep, I gave her that. Chomp. Watch this. I'm gonna go gangster on you. Come on.
Gangster. Anyways, can you guys please leave?
Why don't you leave? You should take up this space in this room.
How am I taking up the space when there are two of you and only one of me?
Cause you're so fat, you can bring a toilet. Hey, lady, stop moaning. Hey, old fatty, look over here.
How am I fat? I'm your child.
I didn't mean you, but you are kind of fat.
I try my hardest. Not really. I'm not fat at all. Thank you.
Yeah. Not fat at all. Okay. You are one fatty. Okay, back to you. This doctor. Yeah. But you ain't have a degree.
I'm sorry. I don't understand what you mean by that because my diploma from college is like hanging in like the doctor's office. Oh, you want to see that?
I think she's blind. Yeah. I'm sorry, but I'm not blind, so I'm just gonna leave and not look at that. Thank you very much, but we don't need you no more. We got what we want.
What did you even want?
Revenge. Peace.
It's okay.
Rabbit.
Yeah. Why do we have a frog instead of a dog?
Ribbit, ribbit. Oh my God. This explains so much. Yeah, I had a affair. So yeah, sorry.
So wait, that's not even my baby?
No. Sorry.
Wow, I haven't even had any babies yet that were actually mine.
What about me? Wow. Well, can you be my mom? Can you breastfeed me? Breastfeed me, please. Nyang, 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 nyang. Breastfeed me, please. Help me! Help me! Ribbit, ribbit.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna leave now.
Let me suck on it. Come on. Fine, I'll be your mother, but like, I'm not gonna really breastfeed you, you know? Okay, bye. Bye, everybody. Bye.